Hi, Phil Morgan here, and get lots of questions about affiliate marketing. And so what I thought I'd do is do a series of videos. This is the first one on where to find products, how to promote them, and that sort of thing. So this one's going to be on how to find products in the make money online niche. Well, that's what most of the products here are anyway. So let's get rid of this for a minute. I'll take it down there. Okay, I'm using a program called Muncheye. It's be a short video. It's just a simple program to use. It's free to get into Muncheye. What it does is nearly all the programs that are listed for making money online are on two programs. This is on Muncheye I'm using, the other one is JV Zoo. I'll do a separate video on that one. On this one, big launches are for those experienced people. You probably won't get accepted for a lot of these if you apply for it. Because they're going for the huge sales. This is where most launches come in. Everything you can see has got a date down the side of when it's being launched. Who's launching it. This one's done by someone called Dave Nicholson and some other people, and it's called Profiting from Private Labs. You can see the 10 there. You can't explain. I'll do it this one. This done by someone called Payment. It's called Achieve Goals PLR. It's a $24 product. You get 50% of it on the front end. All of these products, or nearly all these products, will have add-ons that people can buy, and you will normally get 50% of those as well. But we'll show you one of those as well if we can find one. So what you do is you come down to look at something 2 or 3 days in advance. Today's the 10th of May where I'm doing this, and so I'm going to look, say, on the 12th, something like that. Give me time to do something. So we're going to look at this one. Dawud Islam, I know his name. He's done 50, 60 odd products. He's one of the big product creators in one of the big sales, promoting his other people's stuff as well. So he's good at I've forgotten the damn word, affiliate marketing as well. So we're going to have a look at this one. It's a front end product. It's 13. You get 50% of that. You get 50% of the add-ons. It says place your link 2 because he did a place your link 1 about a year and a half ago, and he's updated it. So let's have a look at this product. So I'm going to look on this one. I'm going to click on this product. And it will open up eventually. So this comes into another page on Muncheye where it's got a few details in there. It says when it's launching. This one's launching on May the 12th, 9 AM Eastern daytime. That's East Coast and the USA, so work your times out for that. It says 50% commissions. The network that he's using, who's hosting this and doing the money side of things, is called Warrior Plus, great place, and it's all about affiliate marketing. So if we click on this one, it says something called the JV page. JV page, for those that don't know, is a joint venture page because you're joining with him. You're going to sell his product. He's going to get part of the money. You get the other half. So if we have a look at this one, how it comes up, this will take you over to another program called. No, it won't yet. I apologise for that. This takes you to the JV page, and it. Okay, stretch the screen out a bit. And here the contest. So the contest means that the sales people who ever sell most of this will get more money. This explains the funnel, helps through the front end and the fourth product. Say a link from Warrior Plus. Let's just turn this off for a minute. And it says I'm giving away actually for free daily traffic again that your tribe can send to any of the URL of their choice. If I promoted this, anyone who buys this, he will promote their product or their affiliate link on his websites, and he's got thousands of people on there. It's actually quite a good little offer. You can earn up to $739 per sale. What this actually means is the front end is 13, but there'll be add-on products that he sells afterwards that you get 50% of. So this you get into it. It says place your link to. It's got a quick explanation. It tells you when it's launching. He's done it with someone called Elaine Baker. This is how you get your link. I'll come back to that in a few seconds. This explains the funnel, and it says $13, $12.95. You get 15% commission. If someone looks at it and they don't like it, they'll drop the price to $9.95, of which you get half of that one. And it's got some explanations there. Place your link on the pro version. This is just an updated one on 47 if they buy it, 27 if they don't buy it and they want to try and sell it still. Most places have these down sells on them, and this goes through there on all the programs. I'm not trying to sell this one, so I'm just using this as an example. So all of them have this process of upsells, downsells. So if you come first place, if you sell most products, you've got to sell 100 minimum, they get 500. on there. That's the two people putting it together. So this is the basis of Muncheye to find products, because they're all pretty much the same on there. The format, you go to a JV page and then you get this explanation, and then you get click here for your W Plus link. This is a program called Warrior Plus, free to join, as is Muncheye. So if you wanted this product, you're going to click on it. Now I've already done this, so I should probably find another product for you to explain something else. Once you've been accepted, and I've used his products before, so I actually get automatic approval on him. And when you get an automatic approval, this is, I'll stretch that screen out again if I can. So once you get automatic approval, I've got it here. This is this shows you the link, and if I sell a product and with this link, this is where my commission kicks in. If I can go a couple of seconds back to Muncheye again. I'm going to find one that I haven't applied for yet. So let's have a look. So there's Billy Dahl. Let's have a look at him. Another guy that sells loads and loads of stuff. This tells you what it is. 50%. It comes in on May the 11th. So we go to the JV page. On this one. It's got a demo product on this one as well. That's quite handy, having a demo video. So when you're promoting, you can use that demo video to promote. Let's just find out. It tells you about the product. They all do this. This is how you'll sell it. We're not doing that at the moment. This is how you would sell it, by using just copying and pasting a lot of this, to be honest. So we come down. I just want to find where the link is on this one. Opening contest. Where's your link? Where's the link? Come on. There's the demo video that tells you what you've got. Contact us. I've missed the demo. Oh, grab your link here. Here it is. So request a link. You go over to here. This particular one, you might have seen it said promo tools there. They have a lot of stuff to help you sell these products as well. They do emails that you can copy and send out. So this is going back to Warrior Plus. Now this one, it says you must be approved by these people to do it. So you click on request approval. I did this on the other one I showed you, and this is how I got. And you've got to put in who you are. So if I wanted a product this, I would go, hi. I probably wouldn't bother the name there. I would go, hi. I would like to promote. Crypto's very big at the moment. C-R-Y-P. I only typed the two fingers, so bear with me. Pro on its. Don't say yes, I've been selling thousands of these. Be honest. So say I'm new to this. I realise they want to protect something called their EPCs. They don't want you going to I've spelled crypto wrong, haven't I? C-R-Y. They don't want you going into Fiverr and just sending this 10,000 people looking at it and no one buys it, because that ruins what they call their earnings per click. So be careful with it. I've done this before, so I'll say I will promote using email, because I have a list, and YouTube review. Hope this. I told you I can't type. This is okay. Family's coming home, so I'm over there quiet. And YouTube video, this is okay. And leave it at that. If you haven't done this before, then you put in that you haven't done it and you're promoting, say you've studied a course somewhere. Many of them will accept you, some of them won't, and you have to keep promoting or finding someone until someone does accept you. So that's how you type that out. Request offer, and it says it's been sent to them, and you'll be notified by email when they reject or accept you. So we're going to cross on that, and what comes up here, as I showed you on the other one, is if you've been accepted, is your link there. There's link settings button. I'll show you what this is. This tells you the link. Now you will do bonuses. We'll talk about this in another video. And when you've done your bonuses, you put a link in here of where your bonuses are. Best place to store your bonuses on Google Docs. But we'll do a separate video on that. So what we've covered in this video is very, very simple. We've covered the Muncheye to find the products. We've covered how to find them, what to look for, how much you're going to earn off it. Have a look through the sales page to see whether it's worth you promoting it. If you think you want to promote it, then you go in to get your link from Warrior Plus. You explain who you are and what you're doing. And that's it on this video. So I hope it's been okay, and we'll see you on the next one.